Are you serious? Are you serious? Folks, space.com is finally starting to speak about what's going on with Planet X. The mysterious Planet X may really lurk undiscovered in our solar system, or at least that's the question. Does it? Mysterious Planet X may really lurk undiscovered in our solar system. Why would they even say it? If it's undiscovered, why would you even write this article? Why even comment about it if it's undiscovered? And it may be about ready to be discovered? All right, now here's what's going on. I'm going to do a little Paul Begley technology, so please forgive me. But we're on the road here. But look at this. 2 or more unknown planets could exist beyond the orbit of Pluto in our solar system, according to new research suggestions. Planet X might actually exist, or so might Planet Y. At least 2 planets larger than Earth likely lurk in the dark depths of space far beyond Pluto, just waiting to be discovered. A new analysis of the orbits of extreme trans-Neptunian objects, or ETNOs. ET phone home. Well, let me just say this quickly. We do have significant amount of people who have an amateur astronomers, and probably the most fascinating one of all is a man by the name of Gil Brizard, who calls it the theory of Planet 7X. Because if he just says Planet X, everybody says, well, I already know all about that. He's like, no, you people know what you know in theory about Planet X. Let me tell you some facts and factual findings of ancient documents. He went to China for 9 months and studied the ancient documents of strange signs in the heavens recorded by the Chinese. He then went to Israel and studied the documents preserved by the Jewish rabbis and Jewish historians and the official documentation. He also went to Ireland and into England and to Scotland and spent another 1.5 years. So 4 years of intense research documented of strange events that happened in the skies or in the heavens in history. Then he overlaid the dates with significant events in the Bible, and the events began to match the historical documents that had already been preserved. And thus he creates he's able to calculate. Then he gives it to 13 or 12, maybe I was 12. He gave it to 12. He was the originator. He gave it to 12 different scientists. Some of them nuclear physicists. Some of them, great mathematicians. I've spoken to one man. I can't reveal his name. He's the son of a prominent politician. He's a nuclear mechanical engineer with an IQ of 171. I've spoke with him 3 times. He has completely analyzed the entire theory of Planet 7X by Gil Brizard and says it mathematically matches. So have the other 12, or the other 11, so there's been 12 of them. I don't know any of the scientists' names because they're afraid. Folks, 74 scientists have died in the last 2 years. Some of them nuclear physicists. I've already done a video on that just a few days ago. Go back and you can see it. And that's all documented by Steve Quayle at his website. So having said that, these guys don't want to give their identities. Planet 7X, that is the theory. Do I understand? Well, I understand the biblical events that took place in the Bible, yes. But do I understand the mathematics to compare it? No. But I'm going to bring Gil Brizard on my broadcast. I'm going to try to get him scheduled for next week, not this week, because this week I'm preaching revival here in New York City. But I'm going to try to bring him on in the following week for 2 hours and interview him about Planet 7X. And I want you to be prepared for this. Because if his theory is correct, there's something coming. But oh, by the way, Pastor, why you bring it up? The Bible says, there shall be signs in the sun, and in the moon, and in the stars, and distress of nations with perplexity, sea and the waves roaring, and men's hearts failing them for fear of things coming upon the earth. For the powers of heaven shall be shaken. Then shall they see the Son of Man coming in with power and great glory. And when these things begin to come to pass, then look up, lift up your heads, for your redemption draweth nigh. Give your life to Jesus Christ, folks. We're running out of time.